Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a plan with me. Last week, the week of June 8th, I participated in the Black Lives Matter Planner Challenge. I will have the two Instagrammers below that created the challenge for you guys to get more information and to see inspiration as well. So the whole premise of the spread was to do black and white and to include inspirational quotes. I took some freebies. I know this one's from Indie Ivy Inc. And she also has this design as a freebie, but also as a shirt, which I'm waiting on. And then this is from Little Magic Prince. And then the quotes, I just found them on Google that resonated the most with me. And then I put them into a Canva Word, or you can use a Word document. I just always use Canva. I printed it out and I created this spread. As for these little boxes, it's from this Sesame weekly planner. Y'all, this was just like, if you didn't see the Happy Mail that I got from Yolanda, that video, y'all, so much goodness in that box. I'll have it linked below for you to check out. But that is what I did. I just went ahead and cut it up and I love how it turned out. So for this week, I'm debating on whether I want to do this again, and something like this I would turn into a sidebar of habits that I'm doing for the week. And then the other option that I have is this one, which is kind of the same. I'd have to trim some things down. If I wanted to use this, it's kind of long. I'd have to definitely trim off the Get It Done. But I'd have my things to do, my goals. Honestly, I could just do it like this, but then that's going to cut into that. So I don't think that's going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and recreate this spread. On the back, I was using sticky notes. These are cloth and paper ones that I was using just to put my bills of the week, which I did not write this in here. And I swore I paid some other stuff. I got to check my statement. And then this was my Happy Mail for the week. And I want to do this again. So first, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hole punch this piece of paper into the middle so that I can take the sticky notes here and then do my spreads how I've been doing them. So that won't take long at all. Just need to trim off a little bit of the top. And this is just a regular, ooh, and I cut two, which means I'll have one for this week. And this is just a regular blank list pad. You could do the same thing with computer paper. Okay, and then when I was on TikTok, I saw this this tabletop vacuum cleaner. I really want one. I think it would be great in my craft space. Not a priority right now, but I have my eye on it. I swear TikTok has been making me aware of things. It's dangerous watching TikTok, man. I'm like looking at stuff like, what? That exists? That's a thing? It's crazy. It's really, really crazy. Okay. So we'll just move this back to here. And then I'll look back like, okay, that's what happened. All right, now for this week, I'm thinking, do I want to use this? I don't necessarily need to use this one, but it's nice to have as a guide, and it worked out well last week. And I was able to write whatever I needed to write on that day. It's kind of like writing my top 3. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this and then put it onto the page. Okay, so here we have it from this weekly pad to this. I just love how it turned out last week. So like I said, we're going to rock with it. I used double stick tape to get it onto the page, and then here I'm going to create a sidebar, and I decided to go ahead and use the miscellaneous box to put just random stuff, and I'm going to put some deco here. So let me see, I did get a sticker book in that. Here we go. All right, so one of the things that's going in my sidebar is working out. So last week I started working out on Tuesday, and I consistently did it. There were some days that I didn't want to do it, but I'm starting off small with just working out 15 minutes a day. And Saturday especially, I worked out because I was going up and down stairs cleaning. I got a new TV for my room, so I was just doing the absolute most going up and down the stairs. So I think I'm going to put this box here to go in this corner that says you can, and then I'm going to cut the bottom. All right, so there we have it. And then over here, I'm not necessarily going for the black and white aesthetic. This is just how it's going right now. All right, but since I do have these, I think I'm gonna put in like a this week or something. Or maybe just this one, the Get Busy. And I'm going to see if I have a girl or something to put there. I don't know. What other ones do I have? No, that's that. So when I have so much in my stash, it's like sheesh. Okay. I'm looking in my fabulously creative stuff. Trying to see if there's anything. I swear, like, I have stuff, and then I'd be like, do you have stuff? Of course I do. I just don't. I never know what I want to use when I'm planning, which is why I just add stuff throughout the week, honestly. All right. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and put this here, and I'm going to write in. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And this one, I think I'm actually going to move down a little bit. So this is going to be for my workout. And I have some stickers from Sparkles Delight. I had to think about it. And I'm gonna pull another one. And I'm going to cut the workout sticker and just put work. And this is just any projects I may have during the week. It depends. So there we have that. Probably could have slid that down a little bit more. These are not lined up at all. So I will have to fix that. It'd be easier for me to just move this one. I'm gonna need for you to not rip my page. Thank you. Okay. All right. Next up is writing. And I have two writing projects that I'm working on at the moment. One is fiction, one is not fiction. And I just write when I feel like it during the week. So some days I'm pouring more time into that. And then the other thing, I think I have 5 trackers that I want to do this week. So I'm going to have my 2 writing, and then I also want to put in reading. Doesn't matter what it is. I just want to continue to read every week. I've been reading a lot on like the e-commerce, you know, online shopping, retail, and all that for projects and whatnot. So it's interesting to see how everything is going to be changing in the stores, from having to go and, you know, make appointments to get into the stores, and it's a lot that's going to be happening. So I just thought it was interesting to see that, you know, that's a part of the, you know, the change. Let's see, what do I want to put for, I guess I can put journal for writing, you know, keep it uniform looking. And then I want to get some reading done. And then in this last one, I'm going to put me time, which is self-care, which is taking care of me every single day. Okay, so that's that. And then I think there's so many things that I want to do during the week. It's insane. My hydrating, I don't really want to track that this week. That actually worked out in my little sidebar. And the stickers I took that from is from this habit tracking accessory pack. And then the other ones are from this one, Wellness, which is both. Happy Planner, really trying to use what I have in my stash, y'all. Really trying. Okay, and then I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I want to track for the week. The journal's gonna throw me off. I already know myself. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to put in writing to know what I'm talking about. Okay. And then the me time is fine, which is basically like self-care. And then anything else that I have going on, I can just write in either on a sticky note or If I have a day that's super duper long, then that's that. But here is my week at a glance. Nothing major. Let's see if I can find another sticker to go into this corner. I think I'm going to pull it from this Faith sticker book, which was in that box that Yolanda sent me. I'm going to see if this will fit. And it does. I'm going to put blessings and praises. All right. So that is it for this spread using what I had. I will link below everything in the description box for you for easy access. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, but if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Would love to chat with you there. In the description box, I'll have links to the products featured, of course, the related videos that I have for other plan with me's, and so much more, and of course the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. I appreciate you so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.